Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically start a jam in Spotify. So to do that, you are going to open up or select a playlist, for instance this one, and you're going to select the three dots here, scroll down, and then you can see there's a start a jam. So this will show up. You can share a link, or you can basically send this QR code to your friends, and they can obviously scan it, and they'll be able to listen to the song with you. If it's not there, just press invite again, and to end the jam, just press end here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Bye.